I want you to see something. I'm in London and this is the mountains of Efrîn. This is olive oil. And I got excited when I saw this. I was like, what the hell? Efrîn olive oil? Let me show you something. Hold on. Packed in Turkey. So this is proof. Turkey is stealing the olive trees from Efrîn and it's reselling it worldwide to this Arab supermarket in West London. Because what if I told you Turkey went to my mother's city Efrîn and took this oil, stole it, stole the trees, kicked the people out of their villages and settled Arabs there in my mother's city of Efrîn? Wow, does that not sound like another thing that people keep going on about? But you're still going to visit Turkey on holiday, aren't you? You're still going to take your vacation there because it doesn't matter, because Muslims can do it to Muslims. But when someone else does it, then it's a big problem. I'm just stating facts. No hate, pure facts.